Hello, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll show you a very easy way to improve the looks on your R107. It's for this rear deck center trim piece, this chrome piece right in the center. It tends to get scratched up over time when the locking pin for the soft top or the hard top is missed when you're trying to put it into the slot. So it tends to get scratched up with time, and this is a very easy tutorial. So I'll show you how to do that. This is what it looks like close up. There's scratches from missed attempts at trying to get the locking pin in there. And on the other side, the bolts actually tend to rust. So I'll show you that as well. So now on the inside of the rear deck cover, you can see the two nuts that hold this piece in place. You simply just have to remove them. They are 5.5 millimeters, so use whatever tool to get those off. So here's a comparison between the old and new parts. You can see the old parts over here, the chrome piece is all scratched up from missed locking pins. The gasket behind is almost crumbling, and then the nuts and washers are all rusted. So we'll be replacing this with 6 new parts. You've got the chrome piece, the foam gasket, the nuts, and the washers. These are all sold as a kit on our website. Again, I'll put a link in the description of this video. So after removing the old piece, you're left with just the empty spot right there. We'll take the chrome piece and the gasket and just fit them onto each other. And then this goes right in here. And on the other side, you'll have to hold it in place, but on the other side, you'll just use one of the washers and screws to secure it in place. So here it is, all finished. You can see it is free of scratches and it looks great again. And just visit the link in the description if you would like to purchase the set of all 6 of these pieces. They're all genuine Mercedes parts, so you could restore this for yourself. Super easy. Thanks for watching.